3, 2, 1, go!
Hey everybody, it's your Jersey girl here, and I hope that you're enjoying this beautiful weather we've been having. It's the first week of July. It's been pretty nice out. The forecast said it was going to be pretty crappy, but it's turned out to be really nice. We haven't gotten too much rain here in Jersey, so we've been going out and enjoying our week off, fishing for snakeheads. You know, that's what we do. So it's a great time of year to do it, and a couple other times that we went out, we weren't really seeing a lot of babies. They were really tiny, hard to see. So they're getting bigger. They're bubbling on the water. Got those bright orange babies that are really hard to miss, and there's more and more popping up of them everywhere. So that's a good thing too. So, you know, we've been hearing a lot of people saying they're catching 10+ pounders in Jersey. We haven't managed to do that yet. I think Kevin's been fishing for them. I'm probably wrong, but I think since about 2009, started bank fishing for them, and I started probably in about 2013, I think was my first attempt at them. I didn't do too good. I wasn't really hooking them, and I was missing a lot of fish, so it really took me until 2014 to land my first snakehead, bank fishing for it. And after that, I got out in the kayak after them, and I was really loving that. It wasn't so great in my sit-in kayak. I was having a little bit of a problem netting them and unhooking them myself. Like, they were flopping around in my kayak half the time, jumping out of the net. So I got my new canoe, just what I wanted, a big open deck. It's been wonderful. I've been having no problem at all netting them, getting them on the deck, pinning them down, getting that gripper in there, unhooking them, and it's been a blast. So we're gonna go out there and hopefully we could find one of those big Jersey giant 10-pound snakeheads. You never know what you're gonna get out there on the water. So we got our fingers crossed. We're gonna go out there and see what we can do. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I got some, I think. You got some.
Got it?
Yeah.
Got your net?
I do. Got you. Big son, bitch.
Just the tracks out behind. I gotta get the tracks out.
Look at that. Beast mode. Beast.
Put it on this side.
What?
This side.
I don't think I'm getting my lure back.
Get it back. Paddles.
I know, it's got a big head, I can tell. Wow. Look at his mouth open. Get it out there. Going under. Is it biggie? You right with that net? No.
I think it's still on. I can't see it.
You need help?
I just see its tail. It's a big one.
You got it.
It's a big one. Just to crap all my eyes.
Crap eye.
Rods in the water.
That's my kayak pushing your rod. Got mud all over your face. Your big dude's face.
This one.
Trying.
Get a picture of that head.
Man. Thank you.
Yeah, go to the left.
We can't even stay there.
Because you're not close to them. You probably ain't gonna have.
Guess what happened?
It's jumping all over.
I noticed that.
Get it in there.
And you can hit it. Guess what? It hit it. Why might it all tied up?
Right back up.
On the little mouse. It loves me to pieces.